The double stroke rule. Playing 2 notes with one hand like this. Now the trick here is to get them even. So you don't want the second note to be softer like this. So practice this nice and slow at 60 BPM. Now, just like with the single stroke rule, you can also put the metronome in 8 notes and in 16 notes and make sure that they both are evenly spaced out and at the same volume. Now, if you would have problems with getting that second note at the same volume, I have some videos that really gonna help you even that out. They will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.